Alright you guys, welcome back to another motivational vlog video. And for today's video you guys, we're going to be setting up our Christmas tree here in the master bedroom. If that sounds interesting, make sure you keep watching. Don't forget, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your post notifications. Alright family, let's get this video started. Alright friends, and now welcome back, and once again we are getting ready to start Christmas here in the master bedroom. I'm going to do a pan around view and let you see what the space is looking like. Now that you see what the space is currently looking like, you guys, we're getting ready to transition out of fall. So we are going to do the tree, and we're going to house that first tree here. Make sure you join the family. For our VIP members, we do have special content for you, but you do have to join the channel for that. Also, make sure you're checking out Her Home Is, her tablescapes, her shorts, and more luxe vlogs. All of our channels are down in the description, so make sure you do join. Now with that being said, you guys, we are starting our first tree here. I will be changing the curtains, so you will see the curtains that's going up. And far as well, you're just going to see the curtains changing out. We're going to change the curtains out and do the tree in this video. Everything else, you make sure you come back. All right, you guys, this is the look of the curtains. This is actually look number 1. This is my original idea, but when I was pulling out the curtains, I decided to do something different. But I'm going to let you see this. And you guys, I'm going to probably drop these curtain clips together in a little short and let you vote on which one do you like the best. And which one you like the best. And also vote which one you think that I went with. Once again, this is look number 1. Now this is look number 2, and I know it's on the back of the bed. And once again, look number 1. You give me a vote. Now you guys, looks a little darker on camera, but this is actually a true to life gray. But drop me a comment and tell me which look do you think we're going for Christmas 2023 here in the master bedroom here at the villa.